Doesn't it have to be 80 US per person? Huh? 240 divided by 4 is 80.
Oh yeah, okay. Right. Yeah. Wow.
I'm getting good action here.
So we should do like $20 per person, right?
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Wow. Must mean it's getting warm up there.
अरे घेर न भ्यू पहिरो झरेको
हजुर
भ्यू परै झरेको
भर्खरै